In a world where space, efficiency, and flexibility define productivity, choosing the best folding work table isn't just about convenience, it's about transforming how and where you work. Whether you're crafting, building, or organizing, the right table adapts to your needs, turning limited space into limitless potential while delivering strength, portability, and smart design in every moment. There are many folding work tables to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best folding work table from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table is a versatile, portable solution designed to meet the demands of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need flexibility without sacrificing strength. With its innovative fold-and-go design, this work table opens quickly for immediate use and collapses into a compact form that's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for garages, job sites, or home projects. Its dual functionality allows seamless switching between a sturdy workbench and a heavy-duty sawhorse, supporting up to 300 pounds as a table and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The spacious 31-inch by 25-inch surface and 32-inch working height provide ample room for tasks like woodworking, painting, repairs, or assembly. Built from durable molded ABS plastic with reinforced steel supports, it strikes a perfect balance between toughness and lightweight portability at just 30 pounds. The integrated clamping system, including two 24-inch quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, ensures secure handling of various materials, while the built-in measuring guide adds convenience and efficiency. Expandable with other works tables, the Pegasus adapts easily to larger projects, delivering dependable performance and flexibility for a wide range of applications. Number 2. The VINGLI 6-foot plastic folding table portable is a reliable and versatile solution designed for both indoor and outdoor use, combining durability, convenience, and practical functionality in one smart design. Crafted with a high-density HDPE tabletop, this table offers a thick, solid surface that resists bending while providing a clean, easy-to-maintain workspace for dining, crafting, studying, or event setups. Its strong gray-coated steel frame enhances stability and supports up to 350 pounds, while the built-in lock design on the support rods and tabletop ensures safety by preventing accidental folding during use. Measuring 72 by 30 by 29 inches, it provides a spacious work area yet folds neatly into a compact 36 x 30-inch case with a convenient carry handle, making transport and storage effortless even in limited spaces. This table requires no assembly, allowing you to set it up instantly for parties, picnics, weddings, camping trips, or professional events. Customers appreciate its sturdy construction, lightweight feel, and multi-purpose usability, noting that it performs well across various surfaces and occasions. Whether used as a temporary workstation, buffet table, or outdoor companion, the VINGLI folding table delivers dependable performance and excellent value for everyday needs. Number 3. The 6-foot foldable table with built-in handle is a practical and durable solution for anyone needing a reliable surface for both everyday and occasional use, combining portability, strength, and convenience in one smart design. Featuring a fold-in-half tabletop, this table is easy to transport using the integrated handle and can be stored effortlessly in tight spaces such as closets, under beds, or car trunks, making it perfect for on-the-go use from home setups to outdoor adventures. Constructed from heavy-duty high-density plastic with a reinforced metal frame, it supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability whether you're hosting a family gathering, organizing a craft station, or setting up events like parties, cookouts, or picnics. Its spacious surface provides ample room for dining, games, or displays, and when paired with a tablecloth, it quickly transforms into an elegant presentation table. Designed for user convenience, no tools are required. Simply unfold, lock the legs securely, and it's ready in seconds. The smooth tabletop allows for quick and easy cleaning with just a damp cloth. Customers appreciate its sturdy build, ideal size, and versatility, noting it's lightweight enough for easy handling while still offering dependable performance and excellent value for a wide range of uses. Number 4. The FDW 6 feet folding table is a versatile and practical solution designed to meet the demands of both indoor and outdoor activities, making it ideal for parties, BBQs, weddings, camping trips, garden setups, or everyday dining needs. Its lightweight, fold-in-half design allows for effortless portability, while the built-in side lock and sturdy handle ensure convenient carrying and compact storage when not in use. Crafted with powder-coated steel legs and reinforced frame joint locks, this table offers dependable stability, further enhanced by non-slip rubber feet that keep it firmly in place during use. The tabletop features a stain-resistant, slightly textured surface that prevents scratches while remaining smooth enough for riding or working, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Customers appreciate how easy it is to set up, fold, and transport, often highlighting its value for money and multi-purpose usability. While some users report mixed experiences regarding long-term durability and locking mechanisms, many find it sturdy enough for regular use, from game nights to buffet setups. Its clean white finish complements any decor, and the compact folding design makes it a smart upgrade from bulky traditional tables, offering convenience, functionality, and portability in one reliable package. Number 5. The Bonnlo folding table 6 foot stands out as a durable and reliable choice for those seeking a high-quality, multi-purpose table that performs well in both indoor and outdoor environments. Constructed from premium high-density polyethylene, HDPE, this table is built to withstand frequent and demanding use, ensuring long-lasting durability and making it a smart investment for homes, offices, and event setups. Its robust metal frame provides exceptional strength and stability, allowing it to support a wide range of activities, from dining and crafting to office work and social gatherings. The thoughtful lock design adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring the table remains securely in place during use. Setup and breakdown are incredibly simple, transforming what could be a tedious task into a quick and convenient process, while its foldable design allows for efficient storage, making it perfect for space-conscious users. Customers consistently praise its sturdy construction, ease of use, and excellent value for money, often recommending it for holiday gatherings and everyday use. With its dependable performance, user-friendly design, and versatile functionality, this table delivers both convenience and strength, making it an excellent addition to any setting. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.